Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today we are discussing with two confusing words which are almost similar in pronunciation but has different meaning and usage. Soothe, S-O-O-T-H-E. It is a verb meaning to ease pain or to comfort or to make someone feel calm or less worried. Synonyms: calm, still, quiet, relax, alleviate, emollient, palliative, mitigate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: torment, torture, trouble, increase, incite, aggravate, agitate, provoke. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the room painted cream white was cool and soothing. Soothe, S-O-O-T-H. It is a noun meaning truth or reality, or used to show or emphasize that something is true. Synonyms: facticity, factuality, trueness, accuracy, actuality, credibility, honesty. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: falseness, untruth, inaccuracy, dishonesty, erroneousness, deceit. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: soothe to say, I got a plate. Propitious, favorable or showing signs of success or likely to result in success. Synonyms: benevolent, advantageous, auspicious, promising, bright, fair, golden, hopeful, optimistic, upbeat. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: inauspicious, bleak, dark, depressing, gloomy, dreary, pessimistic, unlikely, hopeless. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: finally, all things proved to be propitious. Harbor, to protect someone who has done something wrong, or an area of water near land where ships can stay, or to keep a particular thought or feeling in your mind for a long time. Synonyms: conceal, hide, bear, hold, nurse, port, foster, shelter, mooring, haven, anchorage. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: handover, overlook, expose, refuse, reject, disregard, evict, forsake, deny, ignore. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he was suspected of harboring an escaped criminal. Hasten, H-A-S-T-E-N. Fasten, F-A-S-T-E-N. Remember, in these two words, T is silent. Hasten, to make something happen sooner or more quicker. Synonyms: hurry, speed up, advance, urge, expedite, accelerate, quicken, make faster. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: brake, decelerate, retard, slow, hinder, halt, go slow. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: there is a rumor that poor medication hastened her death. Fasten, to make or become firmly attached or closed. Synonyms: fix, join, link, connect, affix, attach, tighten, glue, solder, cohere, embed, weld, bolt. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: detach, undo, unfasten, unhook, loose, release, separate, disjoin. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: make sure your seat belt is securely fastened. Assertive, behaving confidently and able to say in a direct way what you want. Synonyms: confident, positive, bold, decisive, firm, strong-willed, determined, emphatic, demanding, certain. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: shy, diffident, timid, bashful, indefinite, meek, unsure, quiet. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, if you really want the promotion, you will have to be more assertive. Sumptuous, of high quality and often expensive. Synonyms, rich, grand, deluxe, lavish, magnificent, splendid, elegant, gorgeous, luxurious. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, humble, plain, barren, ugly, inferior, unimpressive, homely. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, I have never seen such a sumptuous apartment. Bloom, become more successful. Synonyms, blossom, flourishing, bud, opening, flower. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, fade, wither, decay, toughness, harshness, roughness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, these flowers will bloom all through the summer. Another example, the startup company bloomed into 100 crore business. Pound, to hit or beat repeatedly with lot of force. There are two other meanings. 1. A unit used for measuring weight. 2. The standard unit of money used in some countries. Synonyms, beat, strike, hammer, crush, bruise, pulsate, throb, punch, pummel, ram. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, defend, push, back, let go of, miss, stand still. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, he pounded the nail with hammer. Another example, her heart was pounding with excitement. Impeccable, without mistakes or faults, perfect. Synonyms, flawless, ideal, unblemished, seamless, pure, exquisite, precise, errorless, accurate, immaculate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, amiss, bad, faulty, flawed, wrong, imperfect, blemished, defective, corrupt, suspicious. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, Neeta's academic credentials are impeccable. Flabbergasted, shocked by the unexpected, surprised greatly. Synonyms, astonish, amaze, stunned, daze, startle, overwhelm, nonplus, blow away, thunderstruck. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, bore, calm, casual, unconcerned, uninterested, unsurprised, incurious. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, we were flabbergasted when we received electricity bill for rupees 15,000. Coherent, expressing yourself clearly or consistent and orderly. Synonyms, recent, consistent, lucid, sensible, valid, systematic, meaningful, organized, analytic. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, incoherent, illogical, illegitimate, weak, invalid, confused, disorder, irrational, disorderly. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the minister has not presented a coherent plan for this project. Tutelage, the state of being under a guardian or tutor. Synonyms, guardian, advisory, guidance, education, schooling, training, teaching, care, pupillage, tutoring. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, careless, inattentive, ignorance, inactivity, insecurity. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, under my teacher's tutelage, I am sure I shall perform well in the exams. Triumph, Triumph. Cynosure, Cynosure. Triumph, a very great success, victory or achievement. Synonyms, accomplishment, mastery, rejoicing, prevail, conquer, win, festivity, exultation, jubilation, all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: lose, non-achievement, loss, sorrow, failure, disaster, forfeit, all these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the 100th day of daily vocabulary is a triumph for TP Chennai and followers. Cynosure, a center of attraction or attention. Synonyms: focus, central point, paradigm, celebrity, trump, essence, epitome, guidance, exemplar, apotheosis, all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: flaw, worst, imperfection, brim, fringe, peripheral, borderline, margin, all these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Pamela, the bride, has been the cynosure of everyone in the marriage hall. Euphoria, a state of intense happiness and self-confidence or excitement, or extreme happiness, sometimes more than is reasonable in a particular situation. Synonyms: jubilation, frenzy, exultation, joy, bliss, heaven, paradise, madness, swoon, ecstasy, dreamland, all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: discourage, sadden, disprint, misery, sorrow, despair, woe, all these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I felt a wave of euphoria when I got 100 out of 100 in maths exam. Score, to search a place or a thing very carefully, or clean or brighten the surface of something by rubbing it hard. Synonyms: scrub, clean, wash, polish, hunt, brush, wipe, cleanse, rub, search, all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: pollute, tarnish, smear, taint, ignore, overlook, rust, all these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we scour the toilets every day. Another example can be given: the police are scouring the area for the missing child. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.